Good evening. Okay, this is the second class of average. So in today's class, we are going to discuss some such question which are almost similar to the question related to number system. We already solved the question of a number system. We had some series of numbers and we used to calculate the sum of those series by using some basic formulas, right? So almost in the same way, we will discuss the same number series and calculate the average of those numbers. In this case, we have to find out the average of those number series. So let's start. But before that, we have to do some more question like last class. For example, the first question is the average of 5 numbers is 18. If one number is removed, then the average becomes 16. The value of removed number is, options available are 30, 18, 24 and 26. Okay, so the average of 5 numbers is 18. Now for 5 numbers, S is equals to AT. Now the average is 18 and there are 5 numbers. So the sum is equals to 90. If one number is removed, that means we have the 4 numbers in the second case. So for 4 numbers, S is equals to AT, or you can say that S2, A2, T2, A1, T1 and S1. Now in this case, if the one number is removed, then the average becomes 16. Now the average is 16. So 16 into the total number of elements. In this case, we have the 4 numbers. That means T2 is equals to 4. Just multiply 16 into 4 is 64. Right, so S1 is 19 and S2 is 64. Just minus 90 minus 64 and we will get the answer, that is 26. Now the option D is the correct answer. Okay, 26 is the correct answer. Okay, the average rainfall in a city from Monday to Saturday is 0.3 inches. Okay, with more rain falling on Sunday, the average rainfall for the week was 0.5 inches. Now, initially, the average of rainfall is 0.3 inch. With more rain falling, the average will be 0.5 inch. How much rain did it rain on Sunday? So basically, ये पूछना चाह रहा है कि रविवार को कितना जो है rainfall हुआ. So basically, we have to calculate the rainfall on Sunday. Now the options available 1.5 inch, 1.8 inch, 1.6 and 1.7 inch. Now Monday to Saturday, right? The average rainfall in a city from Monday to Saturday is 0.3 inch. That means how many days? Monday to Saturday, that means 6 days. Now the average is 0.3. Just multiply 0.3 into 6 days. It is like S1 is equals to A1 into T2. Similarly, we have used the average of rainfall 0.3 and the days are 6. Now just multiply these numbers, 18 na, so 1.8 inches. Correct. Now rainfall on Sunday. Suppose rainfall on Sunday is equals to X inch. Correct. So the average rainfall for the week was 0.5. So this is for 7 days, average of 7 days. That means average is equals to sum divided by total element. That means average, we have already average, that is 0.5 for 7 days. Now what will be sum? 1.8 is the 6 days rainfall plus X is the Sunday's rainfall of Sunday and divided by total number of elements, that means total days, that will be 7. Now just find out the value of X and you will get the answer. Now Shankar says 1.7. Okay, let me check. X is equals to 0.5 into 7, that means 35 and 3.5. It will be 3.5. And just transfer the number 1.8, that is minus 1.8. Now 3.5 minus 18, that means 17. So 1.7 inches is the correct answer. Okay. Option D is the correct answer. 1.7 inch is correct answer. Is it clear? Okay, once more. Okay. In question portion, we have the rainfall in a city from Monday to Saturday. That means this is the average rainfall, that is 0.3. Now we have the formula of find out the sum of the elements. That will be, that is the A into T. A is the average and T is the total number of elements. Now in this case, average, we have average 0.3, and the total number of elements, that means Monday to Saturday, which is the number of days, that is Monday to Saturday, that means 6 days. Now just multiply these numbers and we will get the total rainfall from Monday to Saturday, and that is basically S1, sum of the rainfall, you can say that. Now 1.8 is the total rainfall in between the 6 days. Now we don't have the rainfall of Sunday, so we have to assume the rainfall of Sunday is equals to 6 inch. Now we have already in the question that average rainfall for a week, that means average is equals to 0.5. Now we will use the same basic or traditional formula of average, that is average is equals to sum divided by total. Now what is the sum? Basically sum, that means total number of days in a week, that is 7 days. So we have already the total rainfall, that is 1.8, and which is for 6 days. Now the 7th day is Sunday, and that is X inch, that we have already assumed. Now the just the sum of these 7 days, that is the 1.8 plus 6, and divided by total number of elements. In this case, the elements are number of days, that is the 7 days, which is equals to the 1 week. Now we have already average of 1 week, that is 0.5, and sum is equals to 1.8 plus x divided by 7. Now what is the x? Basically this is the rainfall on Sundays, that we have to find out in the question. How much rainfall on the Sunday, you can say that how much rainfall on Sunday. So x is the rainfall on Sunday. Just calculate the numbers and get the value of x, and that will be the answer of the question. That means we can say that the rainfall on the Sunday. So I hope is it clear, or any doubt else? रेनफॉल दैट मीन्स ना पानी, जो पानी गिर रहा है, वर्षा हो रही वो, तो कितना बारिश जो है एक हफ्ते में हुआ और कितना बारिश जो है संडे को हुआ, बेसिकली यही आपसे क्वेश्चन में पूछ रहा है. तो मंडे से लेकर संडे तक तो 0.3 इंच का एवरेज बारिश हुई है, वर्षा हुई है. संडे के दिन कितना हुआ है वो आपसे पूछ रहा है, जबकि ऑलरेडी आपके पास 1 वीक का टोटल एवरेज रेनफॉल या एवरेज वर्षा बता दिया है कि इतना एवरेज वर्षा है. अब संडे के दिन कितना पानी गिरा है, दैट्स इट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, the average temperature. Now in this case we have the temperature of Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is 37. Clear? We have the average temperature, that means औसत तापमान हमारे पास है मंगलवार, बुधवार और गुरुवार का. So the average temperature of Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday is 37 degrees Celsius, and the average temperature of Wednesday, Thursday and Friday is 38 degrees Celsius. So हमारे पास बुधवार, गुरुवार, फ्राइडे के लिए, शुक्रवार के लिए 38 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड का औसत तापमान है. If the temperature on Friday is 39 degree Celsius, then the temperature on Tuesday will be. So हमारे पास comparison question है. Basically we have the temperature on Friday is 39 degrees Celsius, then we have to find out the temperature on Tuesday. Now the options are available: 35 degree, 36, 37 and 38 degrees Celsius. Okay. Similarly, we have to do the total number of days, that is Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So there are 3 days, Tuesday plus Wednesday and plus Thursday, right? So is equals to average and total. Now average into total number of days, or we can say that total number of elements, total days. Now what is the average of temperature? Average of temperature. So this is basically our formula to find out the total temperature. Now average of temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So 37 multiply total days. So 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. So just multiply 37 into 3. That will be 21 and 9 and 11. So 111 degree Celsius is the temperature of 3 days, Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday. Similarly, Wednesday and plus Thursday and plus Friday. Now in this case, again average of temperature into total days. Now what is the average temperature of Wednesday, Thursday and Friday? That is the 38 degrees Celsius. Just multiply 38 into, again the number of days is 3. 24, so 2, 9 and 11. So 114 degrees Celsius is the, again the total temperature of Wednesday, Thursday and Friday. Now just find out the difference between these two temperature. 114, or we can write the like this: Tuesday plus Wednesday plus Thursday. This is the first portion. Now second one is minus Wednesday plus Thursday and plus Friday, and is equals to suppose 34 114, or we can say that, so sorry, 114 degrees Celsius. Now in this case, we just minus 111 degrees Celsius minus 114 degrees Celsius. Now Wednesday, Thursday and Wednesday cancel out. Now we have Tuesday minus Friday. Now the temperature will be, in this case, minus 3 degrees Celsius. Suppose we just have to follow the basic operational rules like plus minus. We just carried out the plus minus. Now in this case, Tuesday is equals to minus 3 degrees Celsius. We have already the temperature of Friday, which is 39. Temperature on Friday is 39 degrees Celsius. So just put down the plus 39. And now what is the answer? Basically it's 36 degrees Celsius. So Tuesday is 36 degrees Celsius. That will be answer. Subtracted from, okay, is it okay? Basically it's totally on you. You just minus from or we can suppose that this is equation number first and equation number 2, and minus 2 minus 1, you can do that, equation 2 minus equation 1, or you can do that equation 1 minus equation 2. The answer will be same. So Tuesday's temperature is 36 degrees Celsius. So option B is the correct answer. Okay, this question is also the similar kind of question, so we can just skip this question. Now, okay, you can do it, na? It is a similar kind of question, so I hope you can do it. You all can do it on yourself. So just skip the question and move on to the next portion of the questions. Now, for this portion, we have just remind the class we will discuss already in the number system portion. Now we have already know the natural numbers, that will be 1, 2 and so on to infinite, and whole numbers that will be 0 to infinite. Correct. Now we have already discussed about the sum of 1 to 100 natural numbers, right? So we have already discussed on the number system portion to find out the sum of any numbers, between any numbers 1 to 100 natural numbers. You already used the formula, that is 1 divided by 2 into n and n plus 1. Remember? So sum of the 1 to 100 natural numbers, the formula we have already used, that is 1 divided by 2 n into n plus 1. Clear? Now similarly, sum of the suppose 1 to 100 even numbers. Now in this case, we used to that n divided by 2 into n divided by 2 plus 1. Correct. Now in this case, or in this portion, or we can say that in this topic of average, we have to find out the average of the number series. So what is the formula of average? Average is equals to sum divided by total number of elements, right? Average is equals to sum divided by total number of elements. So now the sum of these numbers, our formula, we can you can use, that is 1 divided by 2 n into n plus 1. Now what is the total number of elements? That will be n. So that's why you have to use the total number of elements will be n. Now just cancel out the n and we have the formula, that is 1 divided by 2 n plus 1. Now we can say that the average of any 1 to 100 natural numbers, the formula we have to use, that will be 1 divided by 2 n plus 1. So now we have to remember the formula, that is average is equals to 1 divided by 2 n plus 1. Is it clear? We just modify the formula from the portion we have already used the formula, that is sum of any between the any numbers, that is the 1 divided by 2 n plus n into n plus 1. Now the formula of average is 1 divided by 2 n plus 1. So suppose we have the consecutive numbers, consecutive natural numbers, correct? Consecutive natural numbers like 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5, 7 and 6. Now what will be the average of these number series? This is the consecutive natural numbers, that is 1 to 7. Now what is the average of natural numbers? So what is the process? Basically we have to sum of these all numbers and divided by 7s and you will get the answer, correct? Now what is the shortcut method? Just find out the mid number, that will be 4. This is the middle number. So we have the 3 numbers in this side and 3 numbers on this side. So what is the middle number? That is 4, and this is the average of the number. So we don't need to plus all these numbers and divided by 7. You just find out the middle number of any number series and you will get the average of those numbers. Is it clear? For example, we have the odd numbers like 3, 5, 7, 9 and 11. Now in this case, again we have to find out the average of this series of odd numbers. These all are odd numbers. Now again we have to find out the mid number, that is the 7. Now in this case we have the average of this odd number series, and that is 7. So 7 is the average of these all numbers. Otherwise we have to find out the sum of this number and divided by 5 and you will get the average. Now we don't need the plus all this number and divided by 5. You can directly choose the mid number and you will get the average of these numbers. Now I hope it is clear for all. And now suppose we have the even numbers. Now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 and 14. Now these are the 7 numbers. So what is the middle number? It's 8. Now the average of these even number series, that will be 8. So these are the answer of the any number series. It may be natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. So we can find out the find out the mid number and you will get the average of those numbers. So basically इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन पूछता है एग्जाम्स में कि कोई नंबर सीरीज दे दिया है एंड जस्ट आपको फाइंड आउट करना है कि उस नंबर सीरीज का कौन सा एवरेज होगा. So just find out the mid number and you will get the correct average of those number series. Now suppose these are the basically 7 number series or 9 number series or 11 number series, then you will easily get the middle number. But suppose we have the even number series, like even number series, that means we have 4 numbers or 6 numbers or 8 numbers, then how to get the middle number? So suppose the first case is, for example, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now tell me what is the mid number of these 4 number series, 1 to 4. What is the mid number of this series? Just write down the mid number on the comment section. we have two numbers and two numbers, and this is the mid position. So we have two numbers on the, okay, 2.5. Anyone else? 2.5, correct. So these are the basically the difference between two numbers. So 2 and 3 we have already 2.5, that will be the mid number, and this is the average of these numbers. You can if you want to check out, then you can cross check, just plus this number and divide it by 4, you will get the 2.5. So that means the 2.5 is the average of these four numbers. Now suppose the second question, second condition, suppose 97, 98, 99, 100. Now what will be the mid number? That will be 98.5. So 98.5 is the correct answer, or you can say that the 98.5 is the average of these four numbers, 97, 98, 99 and 100. Now suppose the third condition, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. Now in this case, what is the mid number of these even number series? This is the even number series, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12. So what is the mid number of even number series? So basically we have the three numbers and three numbers. Now this is the position, mid position, and what will be the even numbers, what will be the mid number? So correct, 7 is the mid number. That means the difference between two numbers. What is the difference between two numbers? That is the 1. So just plus on the, we have to find out the basically difference between two numbers. Now the 6 and 8, there is the difference of 2. So just half that numbers and add on these numbers, so it will be the mid number, or you can directly crack out the basically what is the mid number. So 6, 7, 8, 8, 9, 10, 10, 11, 12. So that means there are already have the 7 in between the 6 and 8. That will be the mid number, and this is the average of this series. Is it clear? Now suppose we have the odd numbers like 1, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. Now we have three numbers on this side, three numbers on this side. This is the mid position. Now again we have to find out the mid number. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now in this case, 9 and 11, 9 and 11. So we have the difference between these two, that is 2, and divided by 2, that means 1. So 6 is the mid number in this position, and that will be the average of this series. Is it clear? So important thing is just find out correctly the mid number and you will get the answer, or you can say that you will get the average of those number series. Now suppose we have the question, for example, if the average of 5 consecutive natural numbers is 18, when find the highest number, or you can say that the largest number. So this is basically a formation of question. So what is the question? If the average of 5 consecutive number. So in this case we do not have the any number series. Just we have to assume what will be the 5 consecutive number. For example, we have to consider the x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. So these are the consecutive number. This is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, and fifth number. Now, what is the average of 5 consecutive number? That is the 18. Correct. 18 average of na. So just sum of these number, x plus x, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5x plus 1, 2, 3 and 3, 4, and that is 10. So just divided by 5 consecutive number, that means divided by 5, And what is the average of 5 consecutive number? That is 18. So just find out the value of x and you will get the average highest number or largest number. So in this case, because the x is the lowest smallest number, just plus the 4 and that will be the largest number. So 5x plus, okay, 5x plus 10 divided by 5 is equals to 18. 18 is the average of 5 consecutive numbers. Okay, once again, okay. The question is, if the average of 5 consecutive numbers, so just suppose the 5 consecutive number like x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4, because these are the natural numbers and the difference between natural numbers will be 1. So that's why just plus 1, 1, 1. That means x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, x plus 4. So we have the 5 consecutive number. So what is the question? If the average of 5 consecutive number, average just plus these all numbers, x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 5, x plus 4. That means just plus these all x's and 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, that will be 10. So 5x plus 10 divided by 5, because we have the 5 consecutive number. So total number of elements, that will be 5. So just divided by 5 is equals to what is the average of this 5 consecutive number? That is 18. So basically this is our formula. Average is equals to sum divided by total elements. So that means average is equals to 18. S means the plus of these consecutive numbers and divided by total number of elements, that is the 5. So now just find out the value of x. So 5x plus 10 is equals to 18 into 5. So 18 into 5, 90. So 90, 5x is equals to 90 minus 10, that is 80. Now x is equals to 80 divided by 5. So answer will be 16. Okay. 1 and 16. Correct. So 16 is the correct answer, or we can say, okay, answer is not 16 because x is the smallest number. Now, and we have to find out the highest or largest number, that will be 16 plus 4, x plus 4, that will be 20. Okay, Sankar Singh, correct. 20 is the correct answer. So x plus 4, 16 plus 4, that means 20 is the largest number. Is it clear? So basically this is the traditional method. Now we can use a shortcut method to find out the answer of this question by using our previous logics, like that. Suppose what is the mid number of these 5 consecutive number series? Who can tell me what is the mid number? Okay, tell me quickly, what is the mid number of the 5 consecutive numbers? Correct. X plus 2 is the mid number. So this is mid number, x plus 2. Because we have the 5 numbers. So 1, 2 and 1, 2. So mid number x plus 2. Now consider the mid number x plus 2, just x plus 2. Now, what is the average of 5 consecutive natural numbers? This is basically 18. Now, x plus 2 is equals to 18. Okay, basically this is shortcut method. So just follow the method. Now, x plus 2 is equals to 18. Now, x is equals to 18 minus 2, and the value we will get, the value x is equals to 16. Now we have the smallest number and you can just find out the highest number, that will be x plus 4. This is the 5th number, or we can say that the highest number. So 16 plus 4 is equals to 20. So what is the easy method? Basically this is the shortcut method. Just to find out the mid number is equals to the what is the average of those number, and just to find out the value of x. Basically this is the shortest method or shortcut method you can follow to find out this type of question, to find out this type of answer of the question. Okay, any doubt? Okay, let's do another example. Suppose the average of 6 consecutive natural numbers is 25, correct? What is the largest number? Okay, just solve the problem and you will get the answer. Basically, the average of 6 consecutive number. Now in this case, we have the 6 consecutive number and the average is 25. You can find out the largest or highest number. So just follow the second method and you will get the answer very quickly. Okay, Sankar Singh said 32. Anyone else? Okay, what is the basically what is the series? So in this case, we have 6 consecutive numbers. Okay, Monica said 16. Now we have the 6 consecutive numbers. So x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. It's a natural number, na? So that's why we have the series plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. That means x plus 3, x plus 4, and x plus 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now what is the mid number? So we have the 6 number. That means we have to find out the mid number like this. This is the mid position. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now the mid position is x plus. What is the between these? Basically 2 and 3. So the mid number will be 2.5. Now x plus 2.5 is the mid number, mid consecutive natural numbers, correct? Now what is the average of these 6 consecutive numbers? That is 25. Is it clear? X is equals to 25 minus 2.5. So what is the value of x? That will be 22.5. Now if x is 22.5, so what is the largest or highest number? The highest number is x plus 5. So highest number or largest number will be x plus 5. So x is 22.5 plus 5, that means 27.5, correct? So answer is 27.5. Now suppose we have the average of 5 consecutive means लगातार ना, लगातार होना चाहिए वो नंबर्स, क्रमागत जिसको बोलते हैं हिंदी में, consecutive even numbers. So सम संख्या है, even numbers is 32. Find the largest number. Now in this case, we have the 5 consecutive even numbers, na? Even numbers, that means x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, and x plus 8. So this is the first number, second number, third number, fourth number, and fifth number. We have 5 consecutive even numbers. So the difference between even numbers will be 2. That means x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 2. That means x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 5, x plus 6, x plus 8, like that. Now what is the mid number? So mid number is x plus 4. Now x plus 4 is equals to, what is the average of these 5 consecutive even numbers? That is 32. Now x is equals to 28. So just plus the 8, x plus 8, and you will get the largest number. X plus 8, 28 plus 8, right? 36 is the correct answer. Similarly, we can say that another example like odd numbers. Suppose we have average of 5 consecutive odd number, 5 consecutive odd number is suppose 17. So the smallest number, directly you can say that the smallest number, or you can find out the largest number. Okay, repeat करना है. देखो यहां पर क्या हुआ है, 5 consecutive even numbers है, तो जब भी even numbers होता है, that means the difference will be 2 plus 2. So that's why you have the series like plus 2 plus 2 plus 3, just plus on the x value, x plus 2, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 2 plus 2, that means x plus 6, x plus 2 plus x plus 6 plus 2, that means x plus 8. So this is the basically a even number series. So what is the mid number? Mid number is x plus 2. यहाँ पे 2 है, यहाँ पे 2 है, so mid number x plus 2, x plus 4. और एवरेज क्या दिया हुआ है? सो एवरेज इज द 32, दैट्स व्हाई x plus 4 is equals to 32. जस्ट इसको ट्रांसफर करना है, 32 minus 4, that will be 28, which is the value of x. So this is the smallest number. We have to find out the largest number, so that's why we have to find x plus 8, and this is x plus 8, 28 plus 8, that means 36. Okay, now the second portion is the odd number series. So what is the odd number series? So basically x, again you have to use the series, similar kind of series, because this is also the difference of 2. Even numbers ho ya odd numbers ho, the difference will be same, that is 2. So x plus 2, again x plus 2 plus 2, that will be 4. X plus 4 plus 2, that will be x plus 6. Now again x plus 6 plus 2, that will be x plus 8. Now what is the mid number? X plus 4 is the mid number, that will be x plus 4 is equals to, what is the average? The average, given average is 17. Now value of x is the 13 na? 13 or 14? 17 minus 4 करना है आपको, तो so 13 is the correct answer. नहीं, ऑड नंबर हो या इवन नंबर हो, यहां पे आपको प्लस 3 5 ये सब नहीं करना है, आपको बेसिकली एक एज्यूम करना है सीरीज. सो दैट्स व्हाई वी जस्ट फॉलो द सेम रूल, दैट विल बी द प्लस 2, और वी कैन से दैट द डिफरेंस विल बी 2. So that's why the series will be x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, similar kind like even numbers. So there is no difference between odd and even number series because the difference will be same, that is plus 2. Basically ये mistake होता है जब भी हम even और odd number खोजते हैं, तो हम series क्या बना देते हैं, x, x plus 3, x plus 5 ऐसे कर देते हैं. So this will be wrong. So we have to find those similar kind of series, that will be the plus 2. Is it clear? The series will be same for even numbers and odd numbers. Don't don't do the mistake like this. Plus 3 plus 5 नहीं होगा. और अदरवाइज देखो आप लोग का जो आंसर आया है 14, any type of answer which is even numbers, that will be wrong. So basically we have to find out the number which will be the odd number. So 13 is the odd number, that's why the process is clear. Process is correct. Now suppose in this case, if you find out the largest number, so what is the largest number? Just plus the x is 13, so largest number will be x plus 8, right? So x is 13 and plus 8, that will be 21. So this is the largest number and this is the smallest number. So it depends on the question. So smallest number is 13, so the largest number will be 21. Okay, if the average of 9 consecutive odd numbers is 19, so what will be the largest number? So basically we have the 9 consecutive odd number series, right? So it's a wasting of time to write down all the series numbers like x, x plus 2, x plus 4, x plus 6, x plus 8. So basically we have the 9 numbers, that will be the first half will be 5 numbers, like this is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is the 5th number. So basically we have already knows the 5th number is the mid numbers. So there is no need to write down all those series numbers. If you find out the highest number, largest numbers, then we have already basically a shortcut method. I will explain that. So first of all, we have the mid number, that is the x plus 8 is equals to what is the average, that is 19. So x is the 19 minus 8, that means 11. Clear? So x is the smallest number. This is basically a smallest number. If you want to write down all those series numbers, so you can free to use this method, like x plus 10, x plus 12, x plus 14, x plus 16. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what is x plus 16? That will be 11 plus 16, right? That means 27. This is the largest number, na? Largest number is x plus 18. That means 11 plus 16 is equals to 27. That is the answer. Or you can use the shortcut method to find out the highest number. Suppose largest number is equals to x plus 8 into 2. So what is x? X is 11 plus 8 into 2, that will be 16, is equals to 27. This is also the way to find out the largest number. So how to get this formula, that is largest number? X is the smallest number plus. If you want to the last number, you just count the total number, that will be 8. Clear? The average is 9, so it is the fourth number and this will be 4. That's why we can use the 8. Now just multiply the 2, because we have the 2 portion, first and second portion. So that's why just multiply the 2. So 8 into 2 will be 16. So basically this is the risky, because in some time you will use the wrong formula, then you can do the mistakes. So that's why I suggest if the number is 9, 10, 11 or less than 15, then you just cross check the what is the series or highest number of series, and you will get the correct answer, and there is no chance to do mistake. And if you rely the formula, then you can directly use the just multiply these numbers and you will get the largest number. Okay, or you can say that basically we have the x plus 8. Now x plus 8 is the similar, just multiply 2. Now let's do another type of question. Suppose we have to find out the average of first 100 natural numbers. Okay, so we have we have a formula to find out the first 100 natural numbers, first 50 natural numbers, like that. So in this case, we have used a formula that will be n plus 1 divided by 2. This is the basic formula of average, which is n plus 1 divided by 2. So what will be n plus 1? So n is the 100, n plus 1 divided by 2. So value will be 101 divided by 2, that will be 50.5. So this is the basically average of first 100 natural numbers. So just remember the formula, that will be n plus 1 divided by 2. For examples, if you find out the average of 3, 4, 5, 6 to the 59, suppose 59. So now in this case, we have, again you can use this formula and find out the, because this is the big series, or you can say that the lengthy series. So it's a little bit difficult to find out the mid number, right? So that's why, because we have to write down all those numbers and find out the mid number. So that's why you can use the shortcut method, that will be the formula based method. So that's then in this case we have n plus 1 divided by 2. So what is n? In this case we have the n. We have the first numbers. Just modify this basically formula, that will be n plus 1. So in this case we have the first number plus last number and divided by 2, just divided by 2. So this is the second formula, you can say that first number plus last number divided by 2. So what is the first number? 3, and last number is 59 and divided by 2. 62 divided by 2 will be 31. So this is the average of this number from 3 to 59. Is it clear? Both the formula are similar kind of formula, just depends on this is because natural number from first number. So 1, 2, 3 is the natural numbers. If you find out the whole numbers series, like suppose find the average of first 5 whole numbers. So basically what is the whole numbers? It starts from 0. So what will be the first five whole number? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is the first five whole numbers. So that's why you have to use the first number and last number divided by 2. So what is the first number? 0 is the first number and last one is 4 and divided by 2, and the average will be 4 divided by 2, that means 2 is the average. Is it clear? And if the question is like that, find the average of first 38 whole number. Now tell me what is the average of first 38 whole number. Average of first 38 whole number. Okay, 18.5. So what is the first 38 whole numbers? It starts from 0, 1, 2 and to the 37, because first number is 0. So that's why the last number will be 37, not 38. So that's why the first number is 0 and last number is 37 divided by 2. So just divide the 37, that will be 18.5. So the whole the average of first 38 whole number is 18.5. So you just careful to choose the or you can say that what is the whole numbers, natural numbers, odd numbers, even numbers. So this is the basically the point where you can do the mistakes. Is it clear? So formula is basically the first number plus the last number divided by 2 and you will get the answer. Now if you find out the series of first 5 odd numbers, 5 even numbers, like that. Now in previous question we have the just first 38 whole number, natural numbers, like that. Now in this case, in the second portion of the question, suppose find the average of first 5 odd numbers. Now in this case there is no whole number or natural number. This is basically a 5 odd numbers, correct? 5 odd numbers. So what is the formula we have to use? The formula is very short formula, that is n. Average is equals to n. Okay, formula is average is equals to n. So if you find out the first 5 odd numbers, the answer will be 5. This is the average of first 5 odd numbers, that is 5. If you want to check out, then 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 and plus 9 and divided by what is the total number of elements, that will be 5. So divided by 5. So what will be the average? Just add these numbers. So 4, 9, 16 and 9, 25 divided by 5. So average is 5. So basically this is the easiest formula. Directly you can use the n, which is number of odd numbers, that is 5. So answer will be 5. But suppose the question is find the average of first 5 even numbers. Now in this case the numbers are even. So the formula will be changed little bit, like average is equals to n plus 1, just plus 1, and you will get the answer. So the answer will be 6. 5 plus 1, the answer will be 6. If you want to check, then just 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and plus 10 and divided by number of elements will be 5. So this is the second method, or we can say that the traditional method. So 6 plus 6, 12, 20 and 30 divided by 5. 6 is the answer. So answer will be same, but the process is first is the based on the formula, and second one is the just traditional method, add on all the numbers and divided by total number of elements. But suppose if you have the 5 numbers, 6 numbers, then you can easily add on those numbers or sum all the numbers. But suppose there are the 25, or you can say that 50 or 60 any kind of even numbers, then you have to just plus 1 and you will get the same number, or you can say that the average of the even numbers. Like if you have to find out the first 25 even numbers, just 25 plus 1, that will be 26 is the average of all first 26 even numbers, 25 even numbers. Is it clear? Now the last one is last condition. If you have the basically numbers between some kind of suppose average of all the odd numbers from 1 to 51. Now in previous question, the question format is find the average of first 5 odd numbers, find the average of first 5 even numbers, like that. Now in this case, we have a number between 1 to 51 and that all are odd numbers. So we have to find out the average of all odd numbers between 1 to 51. So the average is equals to n plus 1 divided by 2 is the formula. In previous portion, the formula is average is equals to just 1. And now in this case, the formula is n plus 1 divided by 2. So answer will be, what is n? N is the 51 and plus 1 divided by 2. So 52 divided by 2, the answer will be 26. Now similar for the even numbers, find the average of all the even numbers from 1 to 51. So formula will be average is equals to n plus 2 divided by 2. N plus 2 divided by 2. So answer will be n is 51 again plus 2 divided by 2. So what will be answer? 50. Sorry. Okay. 50 na 50. Because there is a twist. 51 is not a even number. Basically, even number, the last even number will be 50. Okay. So basically, this is the confusing point. What will be the last number? N is not 51. It will be n is equals to 50. That is the last even number between 1 to 51. So that's why we can use the 50 as n. So that's why 50 plus 2 divided by 2. Now what will be the answer? 52 divided by 2 means 26. Is it clear? 51 is not a even number. 51 is an odd number. So average of all even numbers. The question is all even numbers. That means we have to use the last even number between the 1 to 51. So 50 is the last even numbers. Correct? Last जो सम संख्या है वो 50 है. 51 क्या है? विषम संख्या है. So that's why हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? क्योंकि हमसे क्वेश्चन में even numbers के ही बारे में पूछा गया है. ऑड नंबर को कंसीडर नहीं करना है और 51 क्या है? ऑड नंबर्स है. इसीलिए हमें 50 को यूज करना है n के जगह में और प्लस 2 करके डिवाइडेड बाय 2 करना है. हमारा जो फॉर्मूला है वो वही है n plus 2 divided by 2. But in this case, we have used a 50 as a n. So 50 plus 2, 52 divided by 2, the answer will be 26. लेकिन पहले वाले पोर्शन में क्या हुआ था? Because the 51 is already a odd number, that's why the last number is 51. That will be n. So n plus 1, that means 51 plus 1 divided by 2. So again 52 divided by 2, answer will be same. अगर आप इसको चाहो तो एक और तरीका है जिससे हम बना सकते हैं, like by using the similar kind of example formula, that is first number and plus last number divided by 2. This is the second method. So first number, what is the first number between 1 to 51? That is 1. Correct? Now the last number is 51 and divided by 2. So again 52 divided by 2, that will 26. Similarly, you can use the first even numbers plus last even number divided by 2. So first even number is 2 and last even number is 50, and divided by 2 is equals to 26 divided by 52 divided by 2, that means 26. So these are the two formula you can use to find out the question, to find out the answer of this question. Even number है तो first even number, और odd number है तो first odd number and last odd number. So basically ये आपको easy होगा because यहाँ पे clearly mention है formula में first odd number plus last odd number divided by 2, first even number plus last even number divided by 2. The answer will be same. You will get the same answer. You can use this formula or you can use the second formula. This is the second formula for odd numbers. This is the second formula for the even numbers. Just remember the first even number. What is the even number? That one is not a even number. That's why you can use the second number, that will be 2, and which is even number. So first even number is 2 and last even number is 50, not a 51. 51 is the odd number. So that's why last even number is the 50, and you can use the this formula also to get the answer. Okay, you can use the second or first method. It's up to you. So you can easily use the second formula, that is first even number plus last even number divided by 2, first odd number and plus last odd number divided by 2. Okay, that's it for today. And in next class, we will discuss about the age-based problem. So that's it for today, and you will meet in the next class. Okay, thank you.